Einstein's so the revolution he is talking about is in human thought, and not just within science. And we know, so we know about scientific revolution itself, and we also know about revolutions within science. There are two different revolutions within science. And from Thomas Kuhn, for example, we know about normal science and revolutionary science. So Einstein's revolution, and it was a sort of revolution, but that was a revolution within science. It wasn't a revolution at all with scientific revolution, which was a revolution within human thought, and was part of overall a civilizational revolution in transition from medieval Christian civilization to modern capitalist barbarism. So that's Lamigwald seems to think that Einstein's revolution is at par. If he thinks that it is a revolution within, or a harbinger of revolution within human thought, then he was obviously a bit too optimistic. Laid the foundation of far-reaching entire domain of human thought. So Einstein's revolution was, if it was a revolution, within scientific thought itself. So it was a revolution in the sense of normal science. But obviously, once Einstein's so-called revolution was incorporated within scientific thought, then it became a part of normal science. So once it becomes a part of normal science, then it's no longer revolutionary. And it also shows that it wasn't a fundamental change in thinking. And also, we should, about Einstein, because about Einstein and his theory of relativity, we should remember that with Einstein, we should also remember that Einstein's theory of relativity and his whole thought, although sometimes portrayed as revolutionary, and to a certain extent it is revolutionary within the scientific and physical normal science at the time, and vis-a-vis Newtonian physics, it emerges from within German, Dutch, and related physics of the time. It was without German physics of the time, his contemporary and predecessors, it wouldn't have been possible for Einstein to come up with his theories. So he wasn't a revolutionary in the sense that he was creating something entirely new. And obviously, because Nazis try to portray Einstein as a Jewish physics or something, that sort of racist stuff, people sometimes think that Einstein was a lone genius or anything. On the other hand, his whole philosophy is steeped in, his physics is steeped in German physics, and also in German philosophy as well, German, Austrian, and related philosophy. So, although Spinoza is important for his philosophy, but Kant is important as well. And Mach, for example, is very important as a philosopher of science for Einstein's way of thinking. So in a sense, the whole Einsteinian theory of relativity is steeped in the physics of the day. So in that sense, it's not a revolutionary in any fundamental sense.